Want a stick?
And they were like,
Hey, May, I stole your stick. What are you gonna
So
do?
is that what you caught in the sheet?
yeah. So
That
it was,
makes sense how it
yeah.
got flung behind you.
I said that
To eat sticks for some reason.
I said because the customer was like under my butt.
Eat this one, eat this one.
Yeah, I fell down the steps
Maggie,
twice
want
when
a
I
stick?
was little and my tailbone has never been the same.
Oh my god. They asked me at the hospital, like, how are you
Yeah.
feeling? I'm like,
Do you want a stick?
on the phone for everyone. I really did
You eat this.
Good, yeah. Because then you'd have trouble sitting and walking.
That was your reaction.
Laying down, you would be fine.
Oh my god, I was just so, Brian's like looking at him like, just don't touch me. No, I don't want anybody touching me right now. He's just like,
Do you wanna?
I mean,
Has that been hard for him?
yeah, he's always very like,
Yeah.
I'm like, please don't. And he's like, really? I'm
I'm gonna find another stick for you.
like, he's laughing at me.
You want a
He's
stick?
walking up to me, his dad is
It's a very small one, but
miserable, and
it'll work.
the cats they had originally, I said, I'm not going to be able to deal with it.
Just have to come off. And Brian's like, well, you're the
I
only
would
one.
have freaking
Stick.
myself. I've never had to wear a cast, and I think I would do it. In fact, people need it because they keep selling it, so I'm like, okay.
Thank you, Maggie. Here's a stick.
Yeah, touch me like forever, Brian. He was laughing.
Here you go, Maggie.
He's like, why are you...
Here's another one.
I'm sorry, man. I'm not using anything.
Hey, hey, hey.
Supposed to use muscle. Yeah.
Want the stick?
I'm gonna call.
Eat
I
the
also
stick.
want to break my leg.
Do you want the stick? No, you don't want the stick no more? Maggie. Stick? I want a stick. Do you want a stick?
He's on too.
Do you want a stick? Stick? Do you want a stick? Do you want a stick? Do you want the stick?
Her OB. What's her OB? And that's who finally put her on it.
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video.